Monday set the pattern for the week, with much effort continuing to go into preparation of the passenger terminal. In front of the terminal, work appeared to be taking place around the storage tank. Eavesdropping would be installed this week, and the first evidence was seen around the hydraulic building. Work begun last week on connections to the transformer continued. Much of the work carried over from day to day. As Tuesday drew to a close, it was good to get a wave from management. A misty Wednesday morning brought a big and very welcome surprise. The large components of the passenger boarding bridge arrive on a trailer. They were promptly unloaded with great care. Unstrapping the load followed, and the removal of various transit frames. Sections like this major supporting beam were then lifted one after another. Full credit belongs to the team and to the crane operator for managing some awkward loads. The men in the foreground here are from FMT, a company that specialises in building boarding bridges for airports and seaports around the world. The FMT technicians will play a strong part in locating, assembling, and commissioning the bridge. Throughout the day, piece by heavy piece, the bridge is assembled. There must have been an immense sense of satisfaction when the work was complete. Thursday and Friday both would see work on the boarding bridge continue. Elsewhere, the earlier work on eavestroughs would see downspouts introduced, and work to prepare the ramp for full service continued to be noted. A second pour of concrete took place at the top of the north finger dock. With the usual attention to a fine finish. The FMT team kept working on the boarding bridge. Which clearly benefits from fairly sophisticated controls. The eavestroughs and downspouts are less complex, but receive no less care and attention. whilst FMT continue to manage newly installed control cabinets, GIP are busy around the storage tank. We'll close this week with a look up and down what will become the car park for the new ramp. And I wish you well, and thanks for watching.